योग गणपति मूल मंत्र भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य prayers for harmony from Rigveda. Om Samgacchadvam Sambhadadvam Sambho Manamsi Janatam Deva Bhagayata Pure Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Abhimantrayevah Samanena Vo Havisha Juhomi Samani Bhavakutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Vo Manaha Yathavassu Sahasati. पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसुनाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं शरदृतुः कार्तिकमासः कृष्णपक्षः अष्टमी तिथिः आश्लेषा नक्षत्रम् शुभ्रयोगः बालवकरणं सौम्यवासरः. Today's date 12th November 2025 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राधरे पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Swagatam, Suswagatam. We have started the journey of Bhagavad Gita once again, and already 2 shlokas we have contemplated. The 3rd shloka goes like this. So, Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूम् व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता Now all together. Pashyetam Panduputrāṇāṃ Ācārya Mahtīṃ च मूम् व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूम् व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता जयति पराशर सूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Respected Guruji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. This is the shloka very perfectly exposing Duryodhana's mentality here. Pashya etam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. See, this is how he is addressing Dronacharya. Pashyetam Panduputranam, all the Panduputras, how they have gathered here. Because in the previous shloka itself he says, Drushtva Pandavanikam Yudam Duryodhanastada Acharyam Upasangamya Rajavachanam Abravit. He approaches Dronacharya there. Because Dronacharya is Guru for both Pandavas and Kauravas. But Duryodhana is not approaching as Guru. Because he is approaching as Raja. I am Raja, you are Praja. You should listen to me. That's all. You may be my Guru, but now on the battlefield you are no more my Guru. This attitude is there. Arrogance is there. Why this arrogance came? That is because of Duryodhana's depression. This is new word. Duryodhana is depressed there? Yes, it is before Arjuna. Duryodhana is the one who is under depression first. The first 10 shlokas explains all the depression of Duryodhana only. Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamu. See here, Dronacharya, Acharyana, Acharya Mahatim Chamu. Mahatim Chamu. Here in the previous shloka we saw word Anikini. Here Chamu. What is this? Both are meaning Sainya only. Then what is the difference between Anikini and Chamu? You should know. There were divisions, 9 divisions of Sainya. Patti, Senamukha, Gulma, Gana, Vahini, Prutana, Chamu, Anikini, Akshohini. This is the 9th one is Akshohini. The first 8 are all also the divisions. How many horses, how many elephants, how many chariots, how many soldiers. They are all having perfect mathematics for this. Then only Akshohini comes. Many of us don't know what is Akshohini only. There is a particular description for the Akshohini Sainya. That is the 9th Sainya, 9th division is only called as Akshohini. First one is Patti, Senamukha, Gulma, Gana, Vahini, Prutana, Chamu, Anikini, and then Akshohini. 9th one is Akshohini. Acharya Mahatim Chamu. See how Drupada's son, Vyudham Drupadaputrena. Drupada happens to be the most dear and near, Balya Snehita of Dronacharya actually. But later he discards him. I don't know who you are, he says. This is the one which raises Dronacharya to take revenge on him. That is how he is going to take revenge on Drupada, Dronacharya also, because he did not recognize him only as Balya Snehita. So this is making here Drupada's son is Drishtadyumna. Drishtadyumna is the commander-in-chief of Pandava Sainya. This is how even Drupada also wants to take revenge by making him only, his son only, to get trained under Dronacharya and take revenge. This is how the revenge between these two Balya's friends, childhood friends happens. This is the story which led to Mahabharata actually. Just one request of, I want a milk, because Ashwatthama had never seen what his milk is. Because Dronacharya was so poor Brahmana, he did not have milk at all, cow only. So once Duryodhana's people, they calls Ashwatthama to come and have a milk. And he says, oh, this is not milk. He has not seen milk only. What was seen as milk in Dronacharya's house was, पानी में आटा गोलकर दूध समझकर पिलाते थे अश्वत्थामा को. That was the milk only he was thinking. But after seeing the Kesari Yukta milk, he starts demanding Dronacharya at home that I want milk only. For that purpose, Dronacharya goes to Drupada to ask for a cow. He does not recognize him only. This is all the big story which is behind this shloka. Pashyaitam Pandaputranam Duryodhana is telling to, taunting Dronacharya there. Pashyaitam Pandaputranam, how they have strategically they have positioned themselves here such a beautiful way under the leadership of Drishtadyumna, who happens to be the son of Drupada. Acharya Mahatim Chamum Yudam Drupadaputrena Kone Drupadaputra Tavashishena Dhimata. This is the taunting way. How is he? He is your Shishya only. Who is? Because Duryodhana is completely going into depression here one by one. How he is acting there. First of all, that first shloka itself is Dhritarashtra's blindness, it shows. And in the second shloka only, Drishtva tu Pandavanikam, it says. To that letter tu, nodtiddange, that is the tone of that letter tu, Drishtva tu. देखते ही क्या हो जाता है, आगे क्या मैं बताने वाला हूं आप सब लोग जान रहे. देखते ही घबरा गया. कौन? दुर्योधन. दृष्ट्वा तु पांडवानीकम यूढम दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम उपसं. These are the beautiful psychology. The first few slokas are completely a textbook of psychology. The whole Bhagavad Gita is a textbook of psychology, that we know. But here the psychology is of Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra is completely exposed. Nanga kar diya Vedavyas Rishi ne Duryodhana ka dimag ko. How he is, what type of mentality Duryodhana is completely exposed in this shloka. Pashyaitam Pandaputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tavashishyena Dhimata. He is none other than your own Shishya, who is standing there against all of us. Is it not? Because Dronacharya, Bhishmacharya, Kripacharya, they are all standing on the side of Duryodhana. Why? They have eaten the anna of this Kauravas, Duryodhanas. Therefore, be careful. Yasyannam bunjate kukshihi tasya buddhi prajayate. Please keep this in your mind. जो अन्न आप खाते हैं ना, वही बुद्धि आपको आएगा. अन्न खाने से पहले सोचो, पहले कहां खा रहे हैं, किसका अन्न खा रहे हैं. क्योंकि this is what is Bhishmacharya, they are all inevitably they are fixed there. Even though they know that they are doing wrong, they could not do anything. Simply they were standing there. Bhishma also knows. Then why he is supporting the Duryodhana there? Because he has eaten the food of Duryodhana. Yasyanam bunjate kukshi. इसीलिए Orthodox, all people, Brahmanas, they don't eat outside only. क्योंकि पता नहीं कौन कैसे बनाएगा अन्न. जो अन्न खाएगा वही बुद्धि आएगा हमें. Yasyanam bunjate kukshihi tasya buddhi prajayate. This is the best example. How Dronacharya is also being taken for a ride by Duryodhana. Guru, अरे गुरु की पूजा करनी चाहिए. गुरु को पूरा एक हाथ देख रहा है इधर Duryodhana with all mentality. This is all because of Duryodhana's Dushta Buddhi. This beautiful psychology of shloka, which is going to expose further. Tomorrow we can see again further exposing of Duryodhana's mind in the coming shlokas. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.